Hi there, my name is Dolores Van den Bogard, and I have been a consultant with Norwex since 2005. I have found that there's a number of reasons why people are intrigued with the Norwex business opportunity. One is they fell in love with the product because it really works, and they can see themselves teaching their friends and family about it. The second reason is they can understand the need for education because these products protect our health and protect the environment. And the third reason, it may sound less noble, but it's a fact of life. It generates an awesome income. So whatever reason you have for wanting to look at the business opportunity, I'm excited to answer some of your questions right here. When you're starting any business, there are three things that you're going to want to evaluate. What is the startup cost? What's the cost to stay in business? And what is the income potential? So I'm going to cover all three of these in this very quick YouTube. The starter kit for new consultants contains all of our top selling items and it's valued at over $250. Now, when you sign up to become a distributor with Norwex, you are committing to pay $200 for that kit. But there's a catch. The catch is Norwex doesn't actually want to charge your credit card. That's right, you can earn it totally for free. You have 3 months to sell $2,000 worth of product. When you sell $2,000 worth of product, 3 magical things happen. First of all, you immediately earn 35% commission on everything that you sell, so you will have just put $700 cash in the bank. The second thing that happens is you will have earned your kit totally for free. That's right, that $250 worth of product is yours, 100% for free, no strings attached. And the third magical thing that happens is you will have earned free product through Norwex's Fresh Start program. That's right, only brand new consultants qualify for $600 in free product as they hit the different modules in their first 2 months of business by selling $2,000 worth of product. So $2,000, I remember when I signed up, that sounded like a lot, right? I get it. So the show sales average is actually over $500. So if you break it down, that is only 4 presentations, 4 times that you need to teach Norwex to your friends and family and educate them about how they'll save money, protect their health, and also it will help you qualify for your kit as a new consultant. So ultimately, Norwex wants to get you off to a great start and help you start your business absolutely for free. Norwex provides their new consultants with everything that they need to set them up for success. In the kit comes all of our top selling items as well as some amazing business supplies. As a new consultant, you also immediately qualify for the Fresh Start program. The Fresh Start program allows you to earn free product while you are either purchasing product for yourself at 35% off or while you are selling product to your friends and family and earning 35% commission. In your first 15 days of business, step 1 says that when you sell $400 worth of product, Norwex is going to give you $147 for free. Step 2 is in your first 30 days of business. When you sell $1,000 worth of product, Norwex is going to give you $207 for free. Now this is a cumulative, so if you reach step 1, you only need to sell an additional $600 to reach step 2. Step 3 is in 2 months, in 60 days from when you sign up. When you sell $2,000 worth of product, Norwex is going to give you another package of free product valued at $245. Now, as a new consultant, only when you first sign up can you qualify for Norwex's Kit Builders. Now, as a new consultant, you can either choose the silver, the gold, or the platinum packages. Now, you can only select these when you are signing up. Now, my favorite is the gold package, and the reason why it's the most popular is the subtotal A. The value of this product is $492. The retail value of it is $547, but you will only pay $320 for this package. You will also receive it for 45% off the regular retail value. So here is the great thing. Because the subtotal A value is over $400, when you purchase the gold package, you immediately qualify for step 1 of the Fresh Start. So Norwex it's immediately going to trigger for Norwex to ship you Fresh Start Step 1. So as you can see, Norwex makes it super simple for anyone to launch their business with success. Choosing an upgrade package is totally up to you, or you can go ahead with just the Party Starter Kit, and I know you can be successful. So there's got to be some hidden fees, right? I know. New consultants say to me all the time, Dolores, where's the catch? Here's the catch. Norwex also pays for all of our free hosting gifts. That's right. You're going to do presentations and you're going to be like Santa Claus. You're going to give $200-300 in free product, sometimes even more, to your host totally for free. They don't pay shipping. There's no $9.99 or half price item. Free is actually free with Norwex. And guess what? It's free for you as a consultant as well. All right, Dolores, what about catalogs? There's got to be some costs hidden here. What if I told you that Norwex gives us consultants the opportunity to not only earn free catalogs, but free product every single month? That's right, so I can give catalogs away for free at my parties. I do draws. I donate to fundraisers and charities in my area because I just get free product from Norwex by simply doing my job. All right, what about this one? In the last 14 years, I have earned 14 free trips. Now, don't think that's just for me and not for you, because I did that when I had little kids in my home. I started doing this business when I had a 1-year-old, 3-year-old, and 4-year-old. So anyone can do this. I now have teenagers, and the rhythm is this. If you try to do, on average, 6 to 8 presentations a month, you too will have a free trip with me, and I would love to meet you. So you can do this business big time, you can do it full time, or you can do it part time. What I love about Norwex is the flexibility. That is one of my favorite F words. It's the ability that allows you to do what really matters for your friends, family, and for your lifestyle with no strings attached. One thing that Norwex does require at a minimum is that you sell $250 every 3 months to stay active and every 6 months to prevent your account from going dormant. So you just need to make sure that if life does happen and you're not able to be out there educating your friends and family about the product, that you maintain your minimums, and I always call it the magic 250 order. So what kind of income can you actually make by doing these Norwex presentations I'm talking about? On average, Norwex consultants are earning over $200 in income at every single presentation that they do. So it's an amazing way to generate an income, but there's a catch on that one as well. If you are willing to dedicate some time, share your knowledge, and offer this as a business to other people in your area. Less than 1% of North America was taught about Norwex's products last year. We are looking for more educators. So if you are willing to give a little of your time and share the knowledge that you have right out of the gates, even as a brand new consultant, you know enough to share this business opportunity with your friends and family. And who knows, this may be the solution to not only their cleaning problems, their finance problems, but you know what? You also make some amazing friends along the way. So Norwex is a business opportunity that gives you the freedom and the flexibility to make it into whatever it is that you need it to be.